How to reply to an email in Gmail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send a reply in just a few taps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap on the email you want to reply to in order to open it. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the email. At this point, tap on the reply button at the bottom of the message. In the next step, the compose box will open with the recipient's address already filled in. Go ahead and type your reply in the message field. Once done, review your message to make sure everything looks good. From there, tap on the send icon at the top right of the screen to send your reply. Finally, once sent, you'll be taken back to the email thread, and your reply will appear at the bottom of the conversation. And that's it. If this guide helped you reply to an email in Gmail, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.